It's setting up. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. Hey traders, hope you're doing well. Listen, obviously the Dow Jones is just closed for today, and the market's obviously having now a 3-day holiday weekend. And just looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, I'm just bringing up a candlestick chart for you guys. You can see we actually started off pretty strongly there, you know, like towards the end of the day. You see the market open up and it rallied up to around about 3%, and then it dropped down to actually, you can see it actually dropped out a lot less than that. It actually just pretty much halved the candle. On the FinViz website, I'm not sure why, but on FinViz it says that the aftermarket hours, something happened on the aftermarket hours where the Dow Jones started off. Anyway, so to me, that this is actually setting up in a bull, in a bear flag. So this, to me, this is a setup right now moving into next week. So you can see that if you have a look here, we have this sort of move down through here, and now you can see it's sort of setting up through here. See how we're getting these strong sellers and these weaker buyers? So we may get a little bit more upside from here, but ultimately I believe we're going to start to see this and break in these lows through here. So I believe it's a setup when it comes to that. Not so much on the Nasdaq, but what happened on the Nasdaq? The Nasdaq created a lower low. So after creating a false breakout, so that tells me that we're likely to see more downside to come on that. And then also the S&P, pretty much the same as the Dow Jones now. The S&P and the Dow are going in line with each other. So, but once again, you can see that how we're creating like a bit of a bear. This move down through here, and now we're just pretty much just going through here like a bit of a channel. So a bit of a bear flag formation, very struggling to run up. You see there's a lot of resistance all through that level there. So I do believe we're likely to start to see this movement on the downside coming into next week maybe. Again, we may get a little bit of a sideways movement for starters, but then I think after that we're likely to see a lot more downside to come in that. So to me, it's a setup right now. Again, we may get another couple more days. We may even get another week. We don't know. We may get another week of sideways movement before the drop happens, but I believe that this is setting up because the buyers really having problems breaking away from this. Strong sellers, weak buyers equals more strong sellers to go. What do you guys think? What do you guys think is going to happen after the Easter break?